Hello, and thank you for visiting the Foodics accounting platform. Today, in this tutorial, I would like to speak about the pay run facility. And during this tutorial, I would just like to explain and give a few reminders. I will move through this margin and I would like you to pay attention to what I'm doing and where I'm going with the mouse. And furthermore, there will be a couple of screen changes, so please pay attention to this as I move through the screens. And furthermore, I will have some items of data to complete, so that will create silence from my on my behalf. So please bear with me on that. And once I've completed the data, I will explain exactly what I have done. So, to create pay runs within the system, I would go over to the left margin here. Under the HR tab, we have pay runs. So, what we have here is the Pay Your Employees page. I have a draft pay run here. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, there are a list of employees here on the left hand side. So in a moment I will choose one employee, and what I want to specifically demonstrate for you here is how to add the overtime rate for the specific employee. So I will choose employee Ali, and I'll just show you the draft. It's quite a simple page, there's nothing added to it at the moment, but I will go on the specific employee, and from here I can edit various pieces of information. So what I will do is take his salary and shift information here, and I can edit his overtime rate per hour, which I would like to demonstrate. So that is quite clear. The rest of the information is quite fine. And I can save that now. So what I would also like to demonstrate within this pay run facility is the payment options for the pay run after I approve this. As I say, at the moment it is draft, so I can choose to approve this pay run in a moment. here. So I have amended employee Ali, as we will see here. Just to demonstrate, I will show you. If I wanted to add overtime hours for Mr. Ali, you will see that his rate is at the amended 10.50 rate. So I will just, for example purposes, give him 48 hours overtime. And there we have the overtime figure added. The other elements which can be edited are optional, but I specifically wanted to mention the overtime rate and how that was amended. So what I can do now is I can approve this draft. But furthermore, I would just like to mention once again just something here regarding deductions. The deduction field in the payslip, it's optional for any other deductions than loans, because loans come out automatically when there is a loan added to this section. So I'll move back to the approval status. So if I approve this now, that has been approved. So what we have options here for, as you can see here at the bottom here, we have a tab, make a batch payment. So just to demonstrate, I'll go with that. Take Bank Alinmar, reference and we can confirm. And there we are, payments were successfully applied. There is another option from the payslip individually. So let me try and demonstrate this. I'll take employee Ahmed. So yeah, so what we can do here individually from this payslip, a payment can be added individually. So I'll just demonstrate this again. Let's take Bank 251 this time, and we'll make the reference monthly salary. So what I can do to demonstrate this individual payslip payment rather than the batch is add, and that payment was successfully added, as you can see here. So that covers the pay runs recording. There might have been quite a little bit of information here for the user to follow, so I encourage you to go back over this tutorial at your leisure, and please carefully follow the steps that I have just demonstrated for you. So I would like to thank you for your attention, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Thank you. Goodbye.